Hey guys, in this amazing tutorial, we will going to give you the review of CleanMyMac X. Okay, so this is one product, by MacPow. Okay, so this is the product. And in case if you want to purchase it, I have provided the link of this product in the video description box or in the comment section. So just do check it out and you can just come to this type of landing page. Okay, so now it's my totally 5 years of experience using CleanMyMac. So this product was basically launched in year 2008, I guess, and now it's 2023. Okay, so if I will show you today's date, so it's almost 10th of Feb 2023. Okay, so this company is here for more than 10 years and people are purchasing it a lot. Why? Because this tool is amazing, and here this company says that this company has been rated 4.7, that is excellent, by Trustpilot. Let's see that as well. Okay, just go to Trustpilot and just search here clean my Mac. Okay, so here you will see this product clean my Mac. So it has got 4.6 rating, so you can see even Trustpilot has given it a good rating. So this product is very much amazing, and this is what I can say. Okay, so here you can see this is the product I have purchased. It is a premium version and I am using it for 5 years, okay, on my Mac. So basically what this product will going to do, so it will going to scan your system and it will going to remove all the junks. It will going to remove all old archives, unused apps, malwares and everything. That means it is a total helper or a protector for your Mac. So this is one tool. They also have a free edition as well, but to be honest, free edition is just waste. I will going to teach you why in a bit later in this video. Okay, and here you can see that even it has been authorized by Apple as well. So this is very great tool, and you can see this is how you can even clean your junks, mail attachment, trash bins, malware, privacy optimization. That will going to make your Mac very much fast. Okay, so this is what it do. Basically, in the speed, they have maintenance. In protection, they have malware and privacy protection. In cleanup, they have system junk, mail attachment, trash bin. And in application, if you want to uninstall any application properly, so this tool will going to help you a lot. Sometimes what happen if we try to uninstall anything, so you might know that it's still some element of that application remains inside our Mac, right? But if you will uninstall through this application, so this will going to remove each and everything about that application, so there will be no junk is stored inside your Mac, and you will going to get more space. That is very much important. And it also gives you the option to update the app more fastly and easily. Okay, and there are many more features for this clean my Mac, and this is just the amazing product. Okay, same thing, you will going to get smart scan large and all big files. So if you have a large and big file, okay, just run a scan, possibly forgotten files, and decide what worth keep. That means if you will just go to this tool, so this tool will going to give you all the large files which you have on your computer. So it's saying right now I have these three big files, and I can just check, okay, I don't want this, maybe this video, I can just remove this video. So this will going to help me to remove this particular unwanted file which I don't want. Okay, but sometimes what happen, without clean my Mac, we just keep this particular file for a very long time, and even we don't know that this file is on our Mac. So this takes plenty of the space, right? So these are all the features you will going to get with the clean my Mac, and as always it is very much amazing tool, to be honest. And as I have said you that with the free version and the complete version, so here if you will just go to buy now, So here you will going to see that Clean My Mac comes with a yearly or a one time payment. Okay, so I will always going to suggest you guys just go ahead with one time purchase, because if you try to purchase on a month yearly basis, so you will just going to end up paying a plenty of money, but it's still cheap. But I guess it's still, for example, in my case I'm using it for 5 years. Okay, even if you purchase new Mac in future, you can just uh, uh, remove this from your current Mac and re again active. That means you can activate this Clean My Mac on your new Mac, so that's not a problem. But here if you will see, for example, in my case, I'm using this product for past 5 years, so it's costing around 3,000. So let me just show you, uh, rupees 3,000 in USD as well. It will going to cost you approx $36. Okay, so let me just calculate in front of you. Okay, so if you will just go here and 36, okay, into uh, 12 for 1 year, it will going to cost you this much of amount. No, sorry, okay, sorry, 36 into, because it is for 1 year. Okay, 1 year subscription, so 36 into 5, it will going to cost you 180. So that's a big expensive in $180. But if you will see in the terms of Indian currency into 12, so it will going to cost you 36, sorry, oops, 3,000 into 5 years. Okay, it will going to cost you 15,000. But with one time payment, it will only going to cost you approx $90. So if you will see, approx rupees 8,000, it will just cost you 96, and you can use it for lifetime on your old Mac. Or even if you take new Mac, so on that new Mac you can just reinstall this particular and activate the license on your new Mac. This will going to work. So it is a very good product. You will going to get all technical support, 30 days money back guarantee, instant support. So this tool is just amazing thing. Okay, so you can just go ahead with that. So that's the reason I recommend all my students to just go with the paid version instead of a free, because instead free version will going to only allow you to delete 500 MBs of junk. But on the pro version, you can just completely clean up your Mac. Okay, and and you can see here you will going to get many limitations, like you can delete only one app for free, you can just delete here unlimited, and you can just run a few optimization. But here you can just run full optimization of complete 12 tools. Okay, so there's plenty of benefits in the pro version, and I guess this anyone can purchase at least this one time, because it we only have to pay it for one time, and you can just get the benefit lifetime. And whenever they bring updates, so they give you the update for free. Okay, so there's a winning opportunity for the Clean My Mac, and you should go ahead with that. And as I have said you that I have provided the link of this tool in this video description or in the comment section, or you can just directly type my-link.in. Then you can just type Clean My Mac. Okay, everything in small, you can just type my-link.in/clean my Mac, and you can just go ahead with that. You can just try the free version as well. But if you can afford, I will just go ahead and tell you to buy the pro version, because free will be totally waste for you. Okay, so it will going to create an extra issue for you. So instead, just go ahead and directly go with the uh, paid plan of Clean My Mac. So this is the review which I wanted to give you regarding Clean My Mac X product. So this is a very good tool, and even as I have mentioned that it is rated high by Trustpilot as well. Okay, so just go ahead and take this tool and enjoy your tool for lifetime, and keep your Mac secure and safe, and make it run fast always using this tool. Okay, so this is all about this video. Okay, bye bye.